commissioners for the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC. 1. Professor Muhammad Sani Kalla, National Electoral Commissioner, Katsina State. Loretta Oneche, National Electoral Commissioner, Delta State. Professor Kulle Cornelius Ajayi, National Electoral Commissioner, Ekiti State. And Saidu Barbara Ahmad Emanai, Resident Electoral Commissioner, Jigawa State. While I trust that the Senate will consider and confirm the nominees in the usual expeditious manner, please accept, distinguished Senate President, the assurances of my highest consideration. Yours sincerely, Muhammadu Buhari. Letter from Mr. President. Dear distinguished Senate President, Process of Crime, Recovery and Management Bill 2020. I'm pleased to inform the distinguished senators that the above-mentioned bill was presented to the Federal Executive Council in Council Memo EC 2020-159 on 16 September 2020 and was subsequently approved for transmission to the National Assembly. Please recall that this bill was passed by the National Assembly in 2019 but was not granted assent due to some issues that were identified during the review. The Process of Crime Bill is essential and critical in building an enduring and sustainable foundation for the fight against corruption, money laundering, and illicit movement of stolen funds through the banking system and across the Nigerian borders. The bill will also improve the ability of law enforcement agencies to seize, freeze, and confiscate stolen assets in Nigeria while observing all related constitutional and human rights laws. This bill will also address the problem of lack of transparency, accountability, and lack of credible records associated with current procedure in the management of recovered funds by anti-corruption agencies and other institutions in Nigeria. An important feature of the bill is the creation of the Process of Crime, Recovery and Management Agency. The objects of the agency include the enforcement and administration of the provisions of the bill and the coordination of the recovery and management of the process and instrumentalities of unlawful activity in Nigeria in collaboration with anti-corruption and other law enforcement agencies. Most importantly, the agency will ensure that Nigerians can benefit from process of crime by ensuring that once recovery is made, the properties and assets will be secured and that the final forfeitures granted through a court order can be paid into the confiscated and forfeited account to be domiciled in the Central Bank of Nigeria. These funds will be used for development projects approved by the National Assembly under the Annual Appropriation Act and also support the work of the law enforcement and anti-corruption agencies. It is my expectation that the Senate will give the bill expedited hearing and passage into law given the importance of the bill in generating revenue for the country. Please accept, distinguished Senate President, the assurances of my high regards and consideration. Yours sincerely, Muhammadu Buhari. Birthday announcement. The 10th of October was the birthday of distinguished Senator Danjuma Goje. On behalf of the Senate, I wish congratulations and happy birthday. We wish you long life, prosperity, and many more years of service to our fatherland. Congratulations. You're welcome.
La 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 la.